Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly mix at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, and your preferred flavorings, such as fruit extracts or powdered drink mixes. Make sure to have measuring cups, spoons, and a large mixing bowl ready. This initial step ensures a smooth and enjoyable process for creating your custom jelly treat. Now, let's combine the dry ingredients for your homemade jelly mix. Begin by accurately measuring 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin into your mixing bowl. For an extra zing, consider adding 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. This enhances the fruit flavor. Whisk these dry components together very thoroughly for about 1 minute, ensuring they are well integrated and free of any clumps. Next, it is time to infuse your jelly mix with delicious flavor and vibrant color. Carefully add 2 tablespoons of your chosen powdered fruit flavor, like strawberry or cherry, to the dry mixture. If desired, incorporate a few drops of food coloring to achieve a more appealing hue. Gently mix these additions into the dry blend for about 30 seconds, ensuring the color and flavor are evenly distributed throughout the entire batch. Finally, let's discuss how to store and use your freshly made jelly mix. Transfer the entire batch into an airtight container, such as a glass jar or a sealed plastic container. Store it in a cool, dry pantry away from direct sunlight. This helps maintain its freshness for several months. To prepare a serving, simply dissolve 1/4 cup of your homemade mix in 1 cup of very hot water, then chill until set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.